Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Microsoft 365 on your Mac, detailed guide step by step clearly. Open your web browser on your Mac. Visit the official Microsoft 365 website. Sign in with your Microsoft account. If you don't have one, click on Create One to set up a new account. Once logged in, navigate to the Services and Subscriptions section. Locate your Microsoft 365 subscription in the list. Click on the Install button next to your subscription. A download will begin for the Microsoft 365 installer. Once the download is complete, find the installer in your Downloads folder. Double-click the installer file to start the installation process. A window will open guiding you through the installation. Click Continue to proceed. Read the software license agreement. Click Agree to accept the terms. You may be prompted to enter your Mac's administrator password. Enter the password and click Install Software. Wait for the installation to complete. Once finished, click Close to exit the installer. Now, open any Microsoft 365 application, like Word or Excel. You will be prompted to activate Microsoft 365. Click Sign in to activate your software. Enter your Microsoft account credentials. Follow any additional prompts to complete the activation process. After successful activation, you can start using Microsoft 365 applications. Check for updates to ensure you have the latest features and security patches. You're now ready to use Microsoft 365 on your Mac. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for